How to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking how can we put YouTube Shorts as a WhatsApp status without including the YouTube link. So in this video, we're gonna find out how can we do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened the YouTube app, simply find the shorts video you want to share. And once you have found that, simply tap on that. Now tap on the share icon shown on the right side of the screen and the menu will pop up. From that menu, simply tap on WhatsApp. So at the time I'm making this video, unfortunately, you can't send the YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without link. Unless you use third-party apps like SnapTube, which is totally not recommended. So up to date, this apps doesn't allow you to send YouTube Shorts without the link, but you can definitely send them with a link. So with this, I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.